Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from check secrets step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from check secrets, navigate to the checksecrets.com website, scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Info link. A new web page will open with a Remove My Information form. Enter your first and last name into fields provided. Select the state where you live from the drop-down options. Then click Search. Complete the security CAPTCHA to continue with your opt-out. Search results will appear. Click the Continue button next to your result to remove your information. A Remove Your Information form will appear. Enter your email address, full name, address, and phone number. Click Submit. An on-screen notification will appear confirming your opt-out request. You will receive a confirmation email from checksecrets.com. Check your email inbox for an email from checksecrets.com. Open the email and click the confirmation link to complete your opt-out. Confirmation of your opt-out will appear. Your personal information will be removed from the checksecrets.com website. Congratulations on opting out of Check Secrets. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.